Hello guys, in this video ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano magbayad ng ating BIR forms returns online. To start, let's go to our Google and type MyEGBIR. And then scroll down lang natin sa baba and click BIR Online Tax Payment. And then click natin yung Pay Taxes Online. So, login lang natin yung ating email and password or continue lang tayo with Google account. So, fill out lang natin yung form ng payment details. So, input lang natin yung amount na ating babayaran. And then yung TIN number, your branch code, and yung RDO natin. So, sa amin is Davao, so 113. And then yung form series, so since 1601 EQ, so 1600 series ang piliin natin. And then yung return period, yung month na ating babayaran. So today is October, so yung babayaran natin is yung September. And then input natin yung ating email address, dito sila magsisend ng resibo. Then click lang natin yung next. Then review your details. And then proceed na tayo sa confirm and pay. So dito guys, pwede na tayong mamili kung saan tayo magbabayad. Pwede credit card or savings card or e-wallets. Kapag credit card kasi or savings card, malaki yung charge, nasa 43 pesos. So dito tayo sa e-wallet. So may pagpipilian tayo GCash, Paymaya, ShopeePay or GrabPay. But in this payment option ko is GCash. In this transaction, so GCash yung pinili ko. So may 20 pesos na charge, pareho sila lahat 20 pesos yung mga e-wallet charge. So proceed na tayo. So dito guys, re-redirect na tayo sa ating GCash. So login lang natin yung ating GCash number and then click next. And then magsisend sila ng code sa ating number. So input lang natin dyan yung code. And then input natin yung ating impin sa GCash. And then next. So ayan, review lang natin yung ating details kung tama. At kung tama naman, proceed na tayo doon sa pay. So, pwede natin ito guys i-download for our future references. And then, magsisend din sila ng resibo sa ating email. So, ayan na guys, successful na ang ating payment. And then, check natin yung ating email para makita natin yung resibo natin. So, ito na yung resibo from our email. So, i-print natin ito at i-attach sa ating form for future reference. So, that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!